E-signature platforms versus contract lifecycle management tools. Which one is better for legal teams? Most legal teams get this wrong by thinking e-signature tools and contract lifecycle management come software serve the same purpose. The surprising truth is that while both improve contract processes, they focus on very different aspects of legal work. E-signature platforms, such as DocuSign, Adobe Sign, or Hellosign, streamline the process of signing documents digitally. For example, a legal team can send contracts to clients or vendors for signature, track completion, and ensure secure authentication, all without printing a single page. E-signature tools excel at speeding up approvals, reducing paper usage, and maintaining compliance with digital signature laws. Contract lifecycle management tools like Acertus, ContractWorks, or Conga go much further. They manage contracts from creation to renewal, including drafting, negotiation, approval workflows, storage, and reporting. For instance, a legal department can automatically track renewal dates, monitor obligations, and ensure compliance across hundreds of contracts. Calm software excels at reducing risk, improving visibility, and centralizing contract management. The key difference is signature execution versus full contract management. E-signature platforms make signing faster and more secure, while COM tools handle the entire contract lifecycle, providing analytics and control. Most legal teams benefit from integrating both, using COM software to manage contracts and e-signature tools to finalize approvals efficiently. The takeaway is simple. If your priority is accelerating document signing, e-signature platforms are essential. If your priority is comprehensive contract management and risk mitigation, COM tools are the better choice. The surprising truth is that combining both gives legal teams full control, faster execution, and better visibility, ensuring contracts are not just signed, but managed effectively from start to finish.